How to create Telegram account in 2022. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create new Telegram account in 2022. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So here basically to create a new Telegram account, you can just download this application from Google Play Store, and then here you have to click Telegram. And guys, as you can see here, it will take a few seconds to reload the page, so you just need to hold on, and you can see here start messaging option will be available first. So you just need to click on start messaging here, and then here you can see please allow Telegram to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm your phone number. So just click on continue and then allow it. So here you can see you have to choose your country. So to choose the country, what you need to do here, you just need to click on this choose a country, and then here you have to search for your country. On the top right corner here you can see there will be a search bar. Simply tap on it and you have to search for your own country. So I am from India, so let me just click on India, and then you have to enter your phone number. So let me just enter my phone number, and then after entering the phone number you just need to click on this arrow icon. Okay, you can see here this arrow icon, this one, you have to click on this. So let me just enter it. So guys, here this type of interface will pop up, so uh it will automatically verify. So here you have to enter your name. So let me just enter my name here, and the R Android tips. Okay, and then here you can see here arrow icon. Simply tap on this arrow icon, and then here this type of interface will pop up. Need access to your contact, so you just need to click on continue option, and here you can see you have to allow it, and it's done. Start messaging by tapping the pencil button in the bottom right corner. So here you can see if you click here you'll find this type of interface. So this is a new Telegram. So to create a new group, you can just click on this new group, new chat, or new channel. You can open channel from here, and here you can see on the bottom you can see you can add your friend from here. You can see you can add contact. So this is how you can create a new Telegram account. And here let me just show you. Here on the top you can see the 3 days. If you click on these 3 days, here you can just enter your phone number, or you can enter your your profile picture. You can edit your profile. So this is how you can create a new Telegram account on 2022. Thanks for watching.